Greetings, Sat Shri Akal, Namaskar friends. I'm Atma and welcome to Udta Rasoiya, where in every episode we add a new page to the book of spices and memories. Let's continue after this intro. In the southern states of India, people make a chutney powder called Molaga Pudi. It is often eaten with idlis and dosas. In North India, people better know it as gunpowder. It is made from a few lentils and dried red chilies. But in true Udta Rasoiya style, today we'll add a little bit of North India into this. And let's see what a South Indian expert cook thinks of it when paired with dosas. Let's begin. You'll need white sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, skinned black lentils, dried red chilies, dried garlic, split chickpeas, dried tomato slices, dried curry leaves, sesame oil, asafoetida, salt, and sugar. We have added the precise measurements and ratios in the recipe below. You can download it from the description. Now let's dry roast a few ingredients on medium heat in a heavy bottomed pan. Some ingredients need to be lightly roasted. We'll begin by roasting the lentils and sesame seeds without oil. Roasting needs to be done carefully, only then you'll get authentic flavors. Do not roast the tomatoes or garlic. This preserves the slight tang of the tomatoes and its deep color. And although the raw sharpness of fresh garlic reduces a bit when dried, but its depth of flavors remains intact if not roasted. Together they create the taste that settles in heart and never leaves the tongue. As soon as you smell that dry roasted aroma, take it off the heat. Transfer it to another vessel immediately, otherwise it'll keep cooking in the hot pan and flavors will get ruined. Now roast the whole red chilies in a little bit of sesame oil. Let all the ingredients cool down. Remember never to grind them hot. And now in a stone mortar and pestle, we will crush the sun-dried tomatoes, dried garlic, dried curry leaves, and the dried red chilies one by one gently. Then mix it all together, the chili, the garlic, the curry leaves, and the tomato powders. Add sugar, salt, asafoetida, and mix it all again. Now grind it in a manual coffee grinder. It gives the right control for uniform texture. I'm using this one here. And look, this is the perfect texture for the chutney powder or Molaga Podi. How do you eat it? You can sprinkle it on salad, use it in sandwiches, or just add it to any dish to boost flavors. My suggestion, just taste it once and you'll get great ideas on how to use it. But if you're eating it with dosas, most people mix it with ghee or sesame oil. Wow!
ரெகுலர் தோசை மிளகா பொடியோட ரொம்ப பிரமாதமாக இருக்குது.
So if you too want your kitchen to be not just a place for food, but the sky for a cook to fly through, then please like, share, subscribe, and tell me in comments what your favorite spices are. I am Atma and this was Story of Molaga Pudi. See you in the next episode. Until then, let the spices keep flying and memories keep simmering. धन से न दुनिया से, घर से न द्वार से, सांसों की डोर बंधी है प्रीतम के प्यार से. दुनिया छूटे पर ना टूटे, ये कैसा बंधन है.